Class 12, Subject Mathematics, Unit Differential Calculus, Topic Solution of Questions based on Rolle's Theorem from NCERT Exercise 5.8. So children, today I am solving here some questions from NCERT based on Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem from exercise 5.8. Question number 1 is verify Rolle's theorem for fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 in the interval minus 4 to 2. So clearly here I have already explained some examples in my lecture, but once again I am solving in the same way. Here a is minus 4, b is 2 and fx is x square plus 2x minus 8. So as per Rolle's theorem, first condition is fa equal to fb, which is here 0. F minus 4 is 0, f2 is 0. So fa equal to fb. fx is a polynomial function, therefore it is continuous in the interval 4, 2 and differentiable in open interval minus 4, 2 by properties of polynomial functions. And finally f dash c equal to 0 implies c equal to minus 1 and minus 1 belongs to the interval minus 4 to 2. So here we see all four conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied, therefore it is verified. Question number 2 is similar question which you have to do as explained in question number 1. Now question number 3 is fx is defined in the interval minus 5 to 5 to r is a function differentiable, and if f dash x does not vanish anywhere for r, then prove that f minus a is not equal to fb, that is f minus 5 is not equal to f5. So here we will give answer by contradiction. Let us suppose what we have to prove, we will suppose it. Let us suppose f minus 5 equal to f5, then it is also given that f dash x exists in the interval minus 5 to 5 and hence it is continuous, as every differentiable function is also continuous. So first three conditions of Rolle's theorems are satisfied here. At every point it is continuous and differentiable, and therefore by Rolle's theorem then there must exist at least one value of x belonging to open interval minus 5 to 5 such that equal to 0. But it is given that f dash x does not vanish anywhere. It is given in the question in the interval minus 5 to 5, which contradicts our given condition that f dash x is 0. So we have proved f dash x equal to 0 by our supposition, and it is given it does not vanish, but according to us it is vanishing, therefore it is just because of our supposition and hence our supposition is wrong. Hence f minus 5 is not equal to f5 and it is proved. Question number 4 is verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for fx equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 in the interval ab where a is 1, b is 4. So same way, it is a traditional question, you have to go through the same way what I have explained in Rolle's theorem. Only difference is fa is not equal to fb as per LMB theorem, and here f1 is minus 6 and f4 is minus 3, and therefore minus 6 is not equal to minus 3, so fa is not equal to fb. It is proved as per LMBT. Second, fx is a polynomial function, same way it is differentiable and continuous by properties of polynomial functions. And f dash c as per LMBT is there must lie c, and it should satisfy the condition f dash c equal to fb minus fa over b minus a as explained in my previous lesson. So f dash c is 2c minus 4. Replace in f dash x by c, you will get 2c minus 4 equal to 1, which gives c equal to 2.5, and it belongs to the interval 1, 4. It lies within 1, 4 open interval. So all four conditions of LMBT are satisfied, therefore LMBT is verified. Question number 5 is also similar to question number 4. Only the values possible to see for LMBT and for Rolle's f dash c equal to 3c square minus 10c minus 13, and after solving this quadratic equation you will get c equal to 1 or c equal to 7 by 3, but as you know c cannot be equal to 1 because c has to lie in the open interval 1, 3 which is given in the question, and therefore only possible values of c is 7 by 3 which lies in the interval 1, 3, and if f dash c equal to 0, then c must be equal to 5 plus minus root 34 upon 3. As shown in the calculation, you can go through it. So I have solved all the questions of exercise from NCERT, and similarly after this I will give you some questions based on Rolls and Lagrange mean value theorem. This way you can make a note of it, and then we will discuss more questions.